MMTs, it's a Friday. It's 12:51 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3:51 Eastern Time. Today's date, once again, 1/28/2011, and equities are taking a big pound. The Dow's down 177. We got 9 minutes left of the tape, and that NAS 100 is taking a big hit, down 60 handles, and the NASDAQ down 68. S&P 500 finally got the haircut that it's been waiting to get. Not only that, we got the Google action. Look at that Google all the way up here from 613 down. These names are getting crushed today, and we can see where the highs were when they first started getting crushed. Right over here is January 28th. Slide that bid, pop, and we've made lower lows all day, and that's on the Google trade. Having said that, when we move over to the Amazon trade on the opening bell, today was a great short down off the earnings. We put that double bottom price action in, and it was at that point in time when you had to come out of the put side and finally take that long move up as we put it in and made higher highs and got the 165 call to go with it and been long Amazon. Cover all your shorts and go long. You get paid that way, you get paid this way, and that's another great one, MMTs. Apple Computer MMTs, look at that long slide, that short bid down. Here's that 28 bell opening. We look at that wheel spin to that bottom. Bam! That was the first pass. Since then, we've been teeny bound and teeny ranged. And the thing about it is, I'm going to pull up a different Apple chart because this one's not working quite the way I'd like it. Back to the Apple one here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the brain. I'm going to go up to the delta. I'm going to hit number 20. Oh, let's see. Wow, it priced it out. How about that? Teeny contraction, 12 cents, came in the way that it should. That means that each line is 12 cents. What we're going to take a look at, that was where the short was. Come out. We had Mr. Mayo short, and Mr. Mayo was long, and then he was playing around, getting these little long trades and these little short trades in here. The thing about it is, it's had a huge reversal today. That's what it looks like. Bam! There was a good move. Covering the short, we went long. The thing about it, MMTs, it's going to be, this one's always going to be like this. So, but we're going to take a look and see if we close below these last lows in here. And we have exactly 3 minutes. We're going with it. Here we are, everybody. We're live in the action, and we're going to talk about that Netflix and what a great bottom that was. They shook that thing down off its next 52-week high. They shook that thing down here to 209.40, and we popped another $8 off that long-term bottom. That means that all the bears and the short float and the funny style way that we love it, we take it for what it's going to give. And we were ascending in the brain all day. And we hit a trend ratio high of 0.99. We're about to break that high right now. There's that ratio live on Netflix. We went down 0.31. This is where you wanted to buy it, negative $2.22. Right now, that's a $9 move off them bottoms. What a great way to ride that bear short cover to the top on that Netflix. We're going to be looking at how to get to 220 puts, and as soon as all the bears are finally washed out, we're going to get a good glory trade when that reversal and when that day comes. Right now, it's all about baking in the sun, and it's all about taking that trend to its all-time 52-week high. Here we go, MMTs, at the closing bell. This was that bull. That big short, that TQQQ, that's that bull. It's a better one to trade, and it's correlated to Apple and the index NASDAQ 100, and the fear factor was playing, and a great short, and the bull can never recover. And the bull is back down here. I mean, my goodness sakes, just the other day we were talking and getting and building a 170 put, and the 170 busted its back yesterday. And then today, it ran through it all the way down to the bottom of, it looks like, let's go take a look at the low, 155.13. What a nice haircut. And when that bull went down, Google went down, Netflix, well, it was an exception. Amazon went down. They all went down intraday when that went that. Apple went down and put a bottom in, and we held this particular bottom right here, and we're going to be taking a look at what that upside volatility is to that downside short. Today, they couldn't get it off the lows like they've done in other days. Here we go. MMT seniors and other MMTs, new ones. Big short. Bull went down. This went down. Apple went down. They all went down. We made a nice market in Baidu right here. There was a $1.80 bounce to the teeny line within a reversal. So we did have a where it would not break here. We got another high right up here. And the thing about it is, then we had that reversal and we closing like that. So we had 1 trade long, 2 trades, 3 trades. There was about 3 to 4 good trades. We've got 3 out of the 4 anyways, because we had our people hacking on this, going long and short all day. That's on Baidu.